and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. Today, we're in the garden. Come join me. It is yet another windy day in the garden, so I am sure the sound quality of this video is going to be atrocious. But let's get started. So, I am planting sugar baby watermelon in here. Usually you want to plant these in rows 10 feet apart, but I'm planting them right smack dab in the middle of my garden. This is going to make a huge mound of leaves and the fruit will stay contained. We shall see how this does. Alright, now that I'm done with that bed, it's got grass mulch in it, and it's all watered up, and now I'm ready to work on this barren bed. So, I'm going to be planting this up with potatoes. So the wind is really bad up here. I apologize again. I'm getting ready to plant these potatoes. So these are the bottom of the barrel of the potatoes that were harvested last year. And that little old handle to a shovel is what I use to dig the holes to plant the potatoes. I use that for potatoes and for bulbs. So let's go. Get these in the ground. So I picked out 20 of the potatoes that I really liked, and I divided my bed into 5 rows just using some mulch that was sitting around. I'm going to just put 4 potatoes in each one. I just picked out basically the 20 that I liked the best, and that's what I'm going to plant in this bed. Okay, and there you have it, 20 holes, 20 potatoes in there, and I think you can see that. Some of them had growth on them enough that they are actually getting a good start on reaching the top of those holes. I've never planted potatoes that had that much growth on them before. And I'm just going to cover them up and water them. Now that I'm done with the potatoes and the watermelon, I need to focus on these peas. You can tell they are doing terribly. Something is really nibbling on those. So I only have a few. I think I'm going to go ahead and pull them out and replace them with other things. This bed has some broccoli in it. The broccoli's not doing too bad. The next bed over has spinach, and that spinach seems to be doing okay. I do have some that were either didn't germinate or were eaten, So I could definitely replant this, and this is a hardy variety, so I might be able to get some more germination. I can definitely start harvesting some of this. And in this bed I had radishes and carrots. I've already harvested most of the radishes out of this bed. There were a few radishes in here that weren't big enough to harvest at all, so I'm leaving those in here for a little bit longer. But this area that's barren along here had peas planted in it that something came along and ate, either deer or rabbits or something. And I'm more inclined to just sow more carrot seeds there. We really eat a lot of carrots. I have a carrot marmalade recipe that I am really excited to make. I've made it before. We love it. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and fill this entire bed with carrots. And that is all I have for today. I hope you have a blessed day. See you later.